welcome back to our channel. So today you'll only be seeing me because I start school before my sister. So in this video I'm going to be doing my maintenance vlog, and today I'm going to go be getting my lashes done and my nails, and then I'm just going to bring y'all along with me, and hopefully I'm not too shy to like vlog, cause you know. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, so I'm finally in the car. I hope my thing not too loud, but I'm on my way there. I live 7 minutes away, but like I'm 6 minutes away now. And I hope my camera doesn't fall. Okay, y'all, so my coach had us going up and down our stadium 5 times, like, and then run around the track. Like, my legs hurt so bad, like I'm literally waddling. I'm not even walking for real. And we was at the stadium, and somebody got airlifted like right in front of us. But then our coach, because she let us go to the top of the stadium to watch them get airlifted, and then it's like we seen like the body, and then she made us go. So, but overall today's good. My appointment is at 1. It's 12:50 right now. I gotta practice at 10, and took a good nap because I look like a pickle hand right now. Like y'all know you was supposed to see me looking like this for real. Hey y'all, so I just got here. Her room is tea. She don't want to be in it, no. So I'm not gonna put her in it. Sorry. It's okay.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm in my love with you.
Okay, y'all, so I just got in with my lashes. And this is my first time getting lashes, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not finna turn around. Y'all not finna see the back of my head. Hold on. Okay, so I never had lashes before, so this is my first time. And like right now, like I like my lashes, just like, I hope I look cute, like, but maybe whenever I get my hair done, it'll like all tie in together. So yeah, that's a plus. But it's 2:03 right now, and my nail appointment is at 3:30. Let me send my mama my money. Because she be tripping talking about people don't be paying her back. Girl, yes we do. Okay, y'all, so right now, okay, I'm gonna go to my nail appointment. She said I could come early, so I'm going. It's 2:30. I'm not ready to go to school. I go to school in 2 days. Like, I didn't even do an all-nighter this whole summer, like, but before I go to her house, I'm gonna go drop off my jewelry that I brought. Ooh, let me make sure all of my jewelry in here, because all of our jewelry always breaking with me and my sister. Cause well, mine don't be breaking like that. But, okay, my bracelet, my mama anklet. Okay, everything in here. But when y'all start school, it's not like, how do I turn my comments on? Because I know it doesn't let people come in, which people probably don't want to come in, but like still I want to give people the option to come in, you know? You got a 2-day trial before I take my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make. Okay, y'all, so I just dropped our jewelry off. Tell me how it's $700. I meant $200 for 7 pieces of jewelry. But at least it'll be done today, so I don't have to worry about if it's going to be done before I go to school or not. So that's a plus. Okay, y'all, so I just got to her house. So, like, I might vlog, I don't know. I'm going to. Like, why do I keep that? I don't know. I'm just shy. But, like, I will do it because who cares, right? So, like, I'll see y'all whenever I get in there.
Rory Italian child for now, child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow.
Okay, hey y'all. So I'm just leaving my nail thing, and I'm finna go to my brother's house and drop off these shoes and shorts for his little sister. But y'all, look, my nails are so cute. Hold on, this is this it. So, but I don't think he's here. I think he's at practice, if I'm being real. I hope his mom here or someone. Okay, now that I dropped that off, I don't think I'm gonna go get my toes done. I don't feel like it. It's like I've been running around all day. Y'all, here go my necklaces. I got them fixed. They went and got them while I was getting my nails done. But it is like, it is 6:42. And I think I'm finna take my hair out now. Like, I was thinking if I should do it after practice or what, but I think I'm finna do it now, so I don't have to worry about doing all of that tomorrow. You know. Hey y'all. So today is Wednesday, July 31st. It is currently 3:54 p.m. and I'm on my way to my appointment, to my hair appointment. But y'all, I am finna be late for real. Why not? My appointment is at 4 o'clock. I'm like 10 minutes away. So I'm not gonna be that late, but I'm late. And tell me how my wig is late. So like I don't even got my wig that I wanted. Which is, so I got a curly and straight wig, which I was gonna get a straight wig, but it's like I wanted my new straight wig. I hope this music not too loud. So, and I had practice today. Why is it not? I'm sorry, it's not focusing. Why is it not focusing? So, y'all, I have school tomorrow, and it's like I'm not ready for it. And I really
small talk. I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check off like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it on. I'ma slap on these fuck niggas every time they piss notes. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood.
Okay, y'all, so here's my hair. And it is 6:42. Tell me why I got orientation at 6:30. So, like, I gotta go over there to my mom, because my mom been already there. And I'm 6 minutes away. And I'm finna try to make this light, because, like, all these cars. Oh, the light's still green, so. But I guess I'll take y'all to orientation with me, even though this is like a maintenance vlog. But who cares? So I'll see y'all whenever I get to my school. Okay, y'all. So I just got to my school. I hope I'm going to the right place. I don't know nothing around here for real. So, and y'all, my body is so sore. It's like I'm walking ugly right now. Like I can't even walk regular because my legs hurt so bad. But I'll update y'all whenever I get in there. Maybe if there's, you know.
We were supposed to go to this ice cream shop by our house.
Today?
I don't know today. The guy said you never told me about that and you never
did not end till 8:03. Like, that was too long sitting on the. Oh shit! Can't go on the stairs. Oh, in the Publix, I found my friend.
Good morning. Good morning, y'all.
Yeah, she just woke up.
Hey, y'all. You sounded like I just woke up.
Yeah. But right now, I'm here getting a sandwich. I'm gonna keep a sandwich. And my earrings. I need my earrings back. Make sure I don't forget. Okay, hey y'all. So I didn't really like give y'all because I was busy. So here's my hair, and then there's my brows. Nated them, and look how long. Yeah. Okay. Thank y'all for tuning in with me for my what's this called, maintenance vlog, and I hope to see y'all on the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.